All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have a watch in from Vaer. Really excited to show this one. It was kind of interesting. I got a shipping notice from Vaer that I'd bought a watch, and I didn't remember buying a watch. So kind of interesting, but this is for media purposes. So Vaer did send this to me. You'll see the promotional logo down at the bottom. But I have purchased at least two Vaer watches over the years. Both of those were gifted to people. I've had those both on the channel, so I will leave links down below in the description for those videos so you can see those. Those were in their Field Watch series. This is in their Racing Chronograph series, and I'm really excited to see this one because one of the most exciting things about Vaer and what they do is the sizes that they offer for their watches, and especially mostly in their field watches. They have multiple size ranges from like 38, 36, 42, so you can really select a size range that fits your wrist, and I think that's great when a company offers that. Now let me get this all the way open here. Shouldn't have put the knife away before I had it open. So let me make sure I don't have any interesting shipping information. Nope. That just shows what's coming in there. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, every Vaer I've had, I do believe, has come in the same box packaging, which is fine. It's very, very nice, simple packaging. But this will be an unboxing video here today. And then after I've had the watch for a few days, probably towards the end of the week, Friday, we'll go ahead and put up a full review of this watch. So super exciting piece. And this company was started in 2016 by Reagan and Ryan. I think it's Ryan Torres and Reagan Cook. So 2016, they started this with their combined life savings, which is really cool. Very nice certificate of assembly. And if you'll notice, I do believe that this is an American, American assembly technician. So this is in their American manufactured line. So over the years, they've really just done a whole lot with their watches to increase production in the United States. I think in 2019 or 2018, they decided to bring everything to the United States for production stuff. Now, they do have Swiss movements, Japanese movements, things like that, but they also have American quartz movements, which I think is great. So let's go ahead and get this one out of the box. And it looks like we have two things in here. We have the watch, and it looks like on a tropic style rubber strap. And then we have this hornween. This is genuine American hornween leather here. So again, American source product there. So let's go ahead and pull the watch out of the box. Super excited to check this one out. And this is a 38 millimeter in their R1 chronograph lineup. I think they make a 42 also. So here's some scan codes for you to be able to get started on your watch. Let's go ahead and pull it out of here. Now, I'm not going to go through the full specs. I'll tell you the size and everything like that, but I just want to get it out, show you how these watches are going to come to you. You can check that out there. Now, this is running a Mecha Quartz movement. That's all I'm going to say about that. Quick release there. But yeah, very cool looking timepiece. Like I said, probably by Friday, I must have cut myself there, I'll get up that full review of this watch. Very nice. Let's go ahead and just really quickly check out the hornween leather strap. And in the full review, I'll go ahead and swap out the straps so we can see those both on the watch. Very nice looking strap here. So super excited to show this one. I wanted to show you guys, like I said, kind of a really quick unboxing. I really respect what these guys do. I think not only are they making spectacular watches for the money, but they've kind of revolutionized the watches, watches under $500. You get so much for the money with these watches, and especially with American assembly and whatnot. I think that is absolutely spectacular. So thanks for jumping in for this quick unboxing video. Stick around, look for the location or the notification for the full review of this watch, which, like I said, will be coming towards the end of this week. If you want to know about that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification button so you can get the full review on this one. So, all right, thanks guys. You like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. All right, thanks guys.